Hello and welcome back to the Parkside Workshop. My name is Philip and today we're taking a look at the 20-volt cordless angle grinder. The cordless angle grinder is used for cutting, sanding, grinding or brushing different materials such as metal, stone and wood. Plastics, tiles or non-ferrous metals can also be processed with it. For each specific application, there is a corresponding disc assigned. This metal cutting disc is included in the delivery and has an outer diameter of 125 millimeters. To loosen and assemble the disc, press the locking button and turn the disc until it clicks right into place. Adjust the protective guard so that any sparks or any parts that come loose cannot strike you or any individual standing above you. The device has 6 speed settings that you can adjust using the speed control. Only begin working once the device has reached its top operating speed. Moreover, you can work on a variety of other materials with the appropriate discs. With the rasp disc, as the name clearly suggests, you can rasp and shape wood conveniently. This is particularly useful, for instance, when you're dealing with damaged wood. Then, you can use the flap sanding disc to finely sand the surface you just rasped. You can also use the woodcut disc to remove tree bark, for example. You can use the diamond grinding disc to grind stone. Did you know just how incredibly versatile the 20-volt cordless angle grinder is? Let us know down in the comments which disc you're planning to use next. Go on, you got this.